My prince, I will be taking my leave.
Oh, come on. No, what's popping, baby? Oh, no. No, man.
This one you said I should hold on. Is there anything I can do for you?
Are you asking me whether is there something you can do for me?
You know, I am always at your service, my prince.
All right. No, I want you to do something for me right now, baby. You know what? I want you to search yourself as you're standing now. As the owner of this kingdom, search yourself from beginning till the end.
My prince, I don't get you. I don't understand this one you are saying that I should search myself. What for?
Damn. Don't make me to repeat myself again. Do you understand me? Oh no, I said that you should search yourself. Now, what are you searching now? Baby, you know.
My prince, this one here that says search yourself. Opposite teacher. I don't really get you.
Search yourself now, baby.
My prince, opposite teacher.
I said, don't waste my time. Search yourself.
Okay, let go him to my prince.
Is that all you got here?
So here comes.
Damn, you can't drop it on the table, man.
Oh
no, drop that door on the table. I said drop it here on the table, baby.
So I'm not funny.
Shit. I'm gonna leave now, man. Oh no, now I wanna see what.
I'm not see.
Oh no, what was here?
My prince, you got nothing. I wasn't teacher on here. Yes. Don't you want to have to give my kids food just like that?
Oh no, I said leave. Oh no, get out of my present, baby.
I want teacher to help. Hi.
Shit. Hey, yo, come back here. Come here, man. Listen. I want you to get me a very nice basket. I need a basket here. You understand?
Yes, my prince.
Listen. Henceforth. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, my prince.
I said henceforth. I want anybody that visits my father, the king, must put money inside that basket. Be it he or she. Before that person leave this palace, that person must drop money on the basket. Have I understood?
Yes, my prince.
Yo, have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
There. Pick this money, man. Got the money. I said, make sure that henceforth, that basket must be here. Anybody who visits my father, the king, must drop money in that bucket. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Am I understood?
Yes, my prince.
Let's go, baby.
This life is full of wickedness. This life is full of pain. Oh. This life is full of evil. This life is full of wickedness. This life is full of pain. Oh. This life is full of evil. If you do good, if you good,
Yeah.
Igwe. Today is one of my worst days in my life. I know that this law that is implicating my son today was not made by me. was not made by any of you here. I am very certain that this law of our land was made even before our own fathers. And you all know that as I was taking the oath of office to be the king of this great kingdom, I meant every word that I said. I vowed to be the chief custodian of our tradition and culture. And you all know too that there is nobody set aside to make a law. Therefore, anyone can fall victim of the same law anytime. Nobody knew that today that my son would fall victim. And to satisfy my conscience, I always dwell on transparency in delivering my judgments. Therefore, today, I want to call out the maiden that my son, Prince Kester, was accused of raping. Nonye, come out here.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Tell me the truth, without the fear of anyone here. The truth and nothing but the truth. Tell me, did my son, Kester here, rape you?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Perhaps you did not understand me. You didn't hear me well. I said, tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Did my son, Kester, Prince Kester, rape you?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go back to your position. Elders of our land, today is our day of judgment. Certainly, you all know me. I don't give judgment based on sentiment. I don't do that. No matter whose ox is God, I deliver my judgment based on transparency. Therefore, by the powers vested in me, as the king of Umudike Kingdom, I hereby banish my son, Prince Kester.
Father, you can't do this. No, Father, I didn't do it. I'm innocent. Father, I'm innocent from all this time. I didn't do it, Father. My elders, I did not do it. I'm innocent.
The guards will lead him beyond the bounds of our land. And I hereby declare that you will never again step your foot on the land of Umudike. If he does, elders of our land. If he does, I wouldn't look back. I will take a decision that will baffle all of you, because I must chop off his head. Guards!
Dad, they can't do this to me, Father. I'm
Yes!
this, Father. This is a conspiracy. My elders, please believe me.
Take him away.
It's a conspiracy against me, Father. I don't do this. You know me very well. I did not do this. I'm innocent. Father, my king.
I really miss the Queen Mother and her son.
I wish a day like this never came to pass.
No one in this entire palace is as scary, lovely as the Queen Mother and her son.
No one, my dear. I just wish they are still alive. At least, no one will be suffering from the hands of Mrs. Judith and her daughter.
That daughter of Jezebel. I just wish the son is the opposite of his mother. And I also wish his coming back will be of good and not of evil.
That's what everyone is praying for. She's here, she's here.
Greetings, my princess. Well, well, well. Stupid fools. Idiots. Are you guys done with what you're supposed to do today? Yes, my princess. Or you think you don't have any other thing to do than to stay here and be gossiping? See, before I open my eyes and close, I want to see the two of you disappear from here. What nonsense? Can you imagine? Fools. And you. Let this be the last time I'll be walking in this palace. I will see maidens loitering around. If I see it, that will be the last day for you. Did you hear me? Sorry, my princess. Nonsense.
Igwe, I know you acted according to the laws of our land. The laws are made by man. So I feel you acted in a haste in the banishment of our Grand King.
My king, we have custom and tradition. Enomodike. Blood doesn't lie. This is your blood. So the way I see it personally, it is not a better option to banish him. Biko Igwe, what will be?
My king, I'm only saying that you should have considered. I mean you consider.
Elders of our land.
Igwe.
Well, I have to bear my mind to my cabinet members. But I have to be frank to you, to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. That I am totally disappointed at you. Yes. A stitch in time, they say, saves 9. Listen, a friend that would told you, I would have said it, is not a friend, indeed. But a friend that would tell you, did I not tell you, is a real friend. I acted what I acted by banishing my son, the prince of this great kingdom. Not single-handedly, but with the backing of both the elders of our land and the rules, the customs, the traditions of our land. As a custodian of our tradition and culture, I based my judgment on the rules of our land. You all know who I am. I don't look at faces while delivering judgment. So I must say that I owe nobody any apology to have ruled that my son be banished, which I am sure you all gave me your support. So why turning back now to accuse me of acting so rashly on my own son? What I did is what I was supposed to have done if it were another person's son. I am disappointed.
Igwe, we are sorry. But we know what you are passing through. Your condition now is very hectic. The crown prince that is banished is the only thing we have now in this our community that will bring back our heart, our mind that is straying away. Actually, you acted according to the dictates of the law. But reason with us, how are the gods feel? How are the gods going to feel if they look down on us and find out that we have no crown prince? How would they feel? That is the $1 billion question. So we are pleading. Eboniwe elemusi Igwe.
He's our crown prince. Our crown prince.
Elders of our land. The gods are wise.
Ifeoma, I don't think the priest really raped that girl. Yes, now, check it now. Just check.
Be mindful of what you say. Walls have ears. This is the palace.
But come to think of it, I don't really think Prince Kester will do such a thing.
That's it.
Anyway, Mama, I'm tired. Just give me time to rest. Very tired.
This palace is so scary.
It's a pity.
Son, once again, you're welcome.
Dad, you can say that again, baby.
You're welcome.
I'm so much happy.
You see, son, you have actually stayed and overstayed for so many years over there. And by the grace of the gods, you are back home.
Dad, you can say that again. Thank you so much.
This is your home. You are land of birth. It is a wonderful thing that the gods have done.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate you, Dad.
You see, it is said that upon all beautiful places, there is no place as beautiful as home.
I'm so much happy, Dad.
Yes.
Wow.
So I believe, as I want to tell you, home is a safer place for you. So as you have come, just relax yourself, feel free, and live like a king, because a prince is a king in the making.
Thank you so much, Dad.
You're very welcome. So whatever may be your need at any time, at any point in time, whatever you need, we have so many workers around. Just send any of them on an errand. No one can refuse you, okay?
Oh, for real?
Yes.
That's beautiful.
But if it is a so confidential matter, look for me.
Okay, Dad.
Call my attention. I am always here for you. That is why I am your father.
All right.
You're welcome.
See that I heard whatever you said, baby. I heard you well. I heard you so well, Dad. You are such a wonderful father, baby. Yeah, my dad, man.
Wait, Nello.
You are such a wonderful.
What is it you are doing? What are you doing? Puffing cigarette in my... No. You should stop that. Stop it! God! You don't do a thing like that here.
Damn, baby. Dad, why you behaving like an old-fashioned king, baby? See, yo, Dad, let me tell you something. Dad, it got to level up, baby. Dad, see, why have you stick to be behaving like our forefathers? Dad, man. This is 21st century for crying out loud, baby. Dad, yo, listen, Dad. You see, back in the state, baby, we use this to calm down in the snow, baby. Yo, Dad, it got to level up, baby.
Listen, Nello, this is not funny. I am serious about it. You take it over there because that place is cold, always cold. But here is a hot zone. We always feel it hot. Stop taking this kind of thing and then taking it in my own presence.
Yo, Dad, you got to level up, baby.
No, stop coming nearer. Stay up far. Stay up far from me, please. I told you I heard it. I detect it.
All right, Dad. I'm cool, man. But Dad, this is 21st century. Nero, you see here, I'm a full grown-up man, baby.
I'll stay coming nearer. Please, if you must take this, get outside the palace.
All right, Dad. I'm cool. But Dad, you got to stop behaving like an old-fashioned king, baby. Stop it, man. Damn. Cool, man. But Dad, I'm telling you, you got to level up.
You better get out.
Baby, level up,
Get
man.
out of these chambers. Or do you want me to call the guards? Guards! The king. So what are you watching? You are watching film. You are watching drama, right?
Please. Dad, you got to stop behaving like this, man. Dad, you got to level up, man.
Please.
Shit. Don't come close to me. I'ma punch you down, baby. If you come close to me, I'll punch you like a puncher, baby. Shit.
What have I done myself? Is that what I have caused to myself? Is this what I have done to myself? Should I have sent my son abroad? Eh? Oh, my God. I have actually destroyed my son by myself. Eh? Hey! So unfortunate. Nello.
Good evening, my prince.
Yeah. You're looking beautiful, baby. You're welcome. Do you know what is natural endowment?
No, my prince.
I'm so sorry. I know you've not seen the wall of school, baby. But that's aside. That's not problem right here, baby. Yo, can you make a 360? Can you turn around, baby? Let me see that thing your mama gave to you, baby. I want to...
My prince!
Oh, come on, man. Come on, come close. I want to just be making a 360. Come close. Don't feel free, baby. Feel free. Let me see that thing your mama... Yo, baby, come close. Make a 360 here, man. Turn around. Oh, this axe looks so soft. It's so soft, baby. Do you know what? Come on, man. Come on. Don't be afraid. Stand here. Do you know what? See, henceforth, you will be the one to be cleaning my room
from today. Hey, yo, I said, henceforth, you will be the one to be taking care of my room. I want my room to be looking classic like you. Listen, I want you to be visiting my room every 15 minutes, baby. Do I make myself clear?
But my prince, someone has already assigned to be working in your room, my prince.
God damn, baby. See, Ogechi, I am Nello, the classic G-star, down from the state, coming down to Umudike Kingdom, baby. Nobody dares challenges my order. My word is a command, baby. Ogechi, see, henceforth, you will be the one cleaning and taking care of my room. Baby, I want my room to look beautiful. Like you, baby. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Damn! I said you will be checking out my room every 15 minutes. You are the one that will be fully cleaning my room from today, baby. Can you go now?
Yes, my prince.
You're looking beautiful. Look at this beautiful axe. Very soft, like Nicki Minaj. Or like Cardi B kind of waist, baby. Very soft, sexy mama. She's beautiful. She's good for my room, baby. Yeah, hey, yo, make sure every 15 minutes, baby, you good for my room, baby. Very sexy. Oh, my daddy has so many sexy medians here.
Son, hope you slept well.
As you can see, I slept well. What's popping this morning?
I haven't seen or heard from you, so I just had to come and check if all is well.
As you can see, all is well, baby. All is fine.
That's good.
Yeah.
Greeting your queen. Greeting your highness.
Yes, why are you here?
The prince instructed me to do some work for him in the morning. My prince, I'm sorry I could not do it earlier. I was busy doing some things in the palace.
Oh, that's no problem, baby. That's no problem. You can go and come back and do that for me, all right? You can go and come back, baby.
Okay, my prince.
All right.
Hey, come here. You said the prince ordered you to do some work for him.
Yes, my queen.
But we have already designated someone to clean and wash your clothes. Why do you ask her to do that instead?
Damn, Mom. I don't like that old-fashioned man that cleans my room, baby. Mom, I need some beautiful median that can do that for me, man. I don't hate that old-fashioned man, baby. I need some beautiful downsell in my room.
And your father's maid is the right person to do that, right?
But Mom, that's whom I have chosen. That's whom I chose. I chose her, baby. That's who I chose.
And as for you, leave and don't ever come close to my son.
Okay, my queen.
God damn, baby. Mom, just done. Damn, Mom, that's not right, baby. Mom, you're not supposed to ask the little girl to leave. That's not right, Mom. Mom, why are you doing this? You're getting on my nerve, baby. Even it's in Brooklyn, New York City, Mom. I can put trigger on you, baby. What the fuck you do? Mom, that's whom I have chosen to be cleaning my room, not that old-fashioned cargo you and Dad sent to me. I don't like it, baby.
You sent for me, my prince. Greetings, my prince.
Yo. Yeah, I sent for you, man. Have you washed my car?
My prince, you didn't order me to wash your car.
Damn! What are you saying? You mean I didn't order you to wash my car? Yeah. So what if I want to drive out right now on my own car? So you want me? So I will be riding out on a dirty car? Is that what you are trying to tell Prince Nero, the classic jester, baby? Is that what you are trying to tell me? Are you stupid? Are you trying to tell me? Do I need to fry egg for you to wash my car? If you're just sounding more to me. Damn, so annoying, man. See, listen, I give you 15 minutes. See, in the next 15 minutes, if my car is not cleaned up, goddamn, I will just I will use you and test run. I will do this in Brooklyn City, baby. But you know what I do in Brooklyn? In the state, man. Shit! See, I'm giving you 15 minutes, baby. Damn! This is saying that do I need to fry egg for you before you wash my car? You need Miguel on your apple. Look at what this nonsense is telling me. You incompetent fool. I called yourself a palace guard. Yeah, palace guard my food, baby. Next 15 minutes, let me not see my car washed. Let's see what I'll do to you. Damn! This nonsense palace guard.
This life is full of wickedness. This life is full of pain. This life is full of evil.
Yeah, I gotta do this shit, man. This shit, good shit, man.
This life is full of pain. This life is full of evil.
I'm gonna feel it right now.
If you do good, the good will pay you. If you do bad, the bad will pay you. There is no escape from the truth.
Shit! Oh, the glass fell down?
This life is full of
oh, the fucking glass is on the floor, baby. Shit. Shit, down on the floor. Shit. Let's go.
This life is full of wickedness. This life is full of pain. This life
damn!
is full of evil.
I think this shit is cool. I think I like this shit, man. I think this one is from Brazil, baby. This shit must be from Brazil. Shit, I love this shit, baby. Damn. I like this shit, man. Let me take one more. Shit! Shit! I think this shit is like Colombian. I think Brazilian Colombian shit, baby. I like this. Hey, yo, see, I am Nello. Yeah, the classic G-star from the state, baby. Coming down to Umudike Kingdom, baby. Hey, yo, I am Nello, the heir apparent to the throne of Umudike Kingdom, baby. This is my kingdom. After my dad,
the one taking over this palace. It's gonna be me. Baby. Ayo.
How are you doing today? I hope you're responding to the medications.
Yeah. I feel stronger now. I feel better. I think I'm getting myself.
Okay. I've been wanting to ask. How did you get to the point I met you? And what happened? Who are you?
I'm Prince Kester, the heir apparent to the throne of Omodike. It's really a long story.
Why are you shouting? Oh my God! Jesus!
Yeah. Umudike kwenu. Yeah. Umudike kwezonu. Igwe. Today is one of my worst days in my life. I know that this law that is implicating my son today was not made by me, was not made by any of you here. I am very certain that this law of our land was made even before our own fathers. And you all know that as I was taking the oath of office to be the king of this great kingdom, I meant every word that I said. I vowed to be the chief custodian of our tradition and culture. And you all know too that there is nobody set aside to make a law. Therefore, anyone can fall victim of the same law anytime. Nobody knew that today that my son would fall victim. And to satisfy my conscience, I always dwell on transparency in delivering my judgments. Therefore, today, I want to call out the maiden that my son, Prince Kester, was accused of raping. Nonye, come out here.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Tell me the truth. Without the fear of anyone here. The truth and nothing but the truth. Tell me, did my son, Kester here, rape you?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Perhaps you did not understand me. You didn't hear me well. I said, tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Did my son, Kester, Prince Kester, rape you?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go back to your position. Elders of our land. Today is our day of judgment. Certainly, you all know me. I don't give judgment based on sentiment. I don't do that. No matter whose ox is God, I deliver my judgment based on transparency. Therefore, by the powers vested in me, as the king of Umudike Kingdom, I hereby banish my son, Prince Kester.
Father, you can't do this. No, Father, I didn't do it. I'm innocent. Father, I'm innocent from all this time. I didn't do it, Father. My elders, I did not do it. I'm innocent.
The guards will lead him beyond the bounds of our land. And I hereby declare that you will never again step your foot on the land of Umudike. If he does, elders of our land, if he does, I wouldn't look back. I will take a decision that will baffle all of you, because I must chop off his head. Guards!
Dad, they can't do this to me, Father. I'm
Yes!
this, Father. This is a conspiracy. My elders, please believe me.
Take him away.
It's a conspiracy against me, Father. I didn't do this. You know me very well. I did not do this. I'm innocent. Father, my king.
That's how it happened.
This is so wicked of the queen and the prince. Do such people really exist? Don't worry.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
Everything will be fine. The gods will see you through. Okay?
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Greeting, my queen. I'm done with the house chores. Is there another thing you want me to do for you?
Amaka, you can go. I don't need your services for now.
Okay, my queen.
As if she knows what she's doing in this palace.
Mommy, don't mind them. They love pretending.
Hey, princess.
Yes,
You
Mom.
said you want to tell me something.
Yes, Mom. Mommy, am I not your princess again?
Why not?
Am I not your pretty princess? Just look at my hair. Look at how I'm looking, Mom. This hair is already out of trend and it's no longer fashionable, Mom. I want a new one.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the new trend now?
Mom, it's gonna be a surprise for you. I already told the hairstylist and she said she can make it.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
what's the price involved?
Mom, it's just 500,000 naira.
Oh, not expensive.
Really?
I'll give you the money tomorrow.
Oh, Mommy, are you serious?
You're my girl.
Oh, Mommy, you're the best mother in the whole wide world. Oh, Mommy, I love you.
You can say that again, my daughter.
Mommy, I'm so blessed.
This life is full of
I'm still happy to see you.
Mommy, guess what? Everyone is saying I'm just like you.
Oh, like mom, like daughter.
Yes, Mommy.
Yes, give it to me. Give it to your mother. That's
Mommy, I
good.
love you so much.
I love you, Mom. Mm.
this life is full of people. If you do good, they good.
Bye bye. Oh no.
If you do bad, the bad will pay you. There is no.
Greetings.
Greetings, maidens of our land. This one you come looking for, no. Hope all is well.
All is not well, sir.
What happened?
The reason we are here is because of the banishment on Prince Kester. We are not happy about it, sir.
The banishment on Prince Kester. And what about it?
Even the gods of our land knows that Prince Kester is innocent. It was a frame-up.
How do you mean?
We overheard the Queen Mother and the maiden Noye saying things about it, and that is how we know. And we said let us come and tell you so that you find the solution about it.
The Queen Mother used Nonye to frame the prince up.
You overheard the Queen Mother and the Nanya discussing it. Are you sure if I can summon both of you before the Queen that you will repeat this particular thing you said?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
That's interesting. Okay, I've heard you. You may take your leave.
Thank you, sir.
Gods of our land. Why must you keep quiet and allow such thing to happen? Queen Mother. Interesting.
Your Highness, why did you barge into my room just like that?
Honey, listen. This is no time for play. A toad does not run in the day for nothing. I have a very cogent reason to barge into your room. Listen, go and warn this good for nothing, this nonsense boy that calls himself your son. Go and warn him. Warn him.
Come off it. He's also your son.
May the gods forbid that I bear such a person as a son. I will never have an animal, an untamed animal for that matter, a beast as a son. I will not.
My king, what has it done this time around?
Good. That is a good question. Can you imagine that this stupid animal barged into my cabinet while I was having a meeting with the elders of this land? Not only barging into our meeting, but he caused commotion. And upon that, he used his own belt to design all these elders. I am telling you, look, they have several degrees of injuries. Eh? What kind of a son is that? How can I be proud to call him a son? Eh?
Yes, maybe your elders, they did not accord him his due respect. So he have to caution them in the right way.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your dirty mouth. How do you reason? You reason like an animal or like a human being? Oh, I can see. He inherited this from you. Yes, like mother, like son. This is what you have to say. Even with your own correct senses. Eh? To support your son for doing evil. Disrespecting all these elders. And you say he is due for any respect. Respect is reciprocal. If he respects the elders will respect him. Not even to talk about his own father, the king of Umudike kingdom. What kind of person are you? Will you turn to me? Why must you turn your back at me? Do you know who is talking to you? I am the king of Umudike kingdom. King Okuro Hawan of Umudike. If you do not know, I have told you the attitudes of your son. I mean severally. But you cannot give listening ear. That when I will do what I will do, when I will do what I will do, you will know that the king has come to judgment, because I don't look at anybody's face when I want to deliver my judgment. That is all. Warn him! Warn him! Warn him! Honey, why is your face this dark? Why are you keeping this long face? It is trying to become a normal, becoming a norm, that each time I enter this room, you will keep a long face for me. What is the problem?
Your Highness, I want to ask you something.
Go ahead. I'm all ears.
Your Highness, what else do you want me to do before you crown Prince Nello the heir apparent to your throne? Is it until I die?
Is that why you are keeping this long face?
What else could make me feel this way, if not this?
That means you will remain like this.
Son, I want to have some minutes of your time.
All right, Mom. But Mom, honestly, you got to be very fast with whatever you want to say to me, or whatever you want to do with me, baby. Mom, I got some international business call to make, baby. Mom, I got to handle my business, baby.
You know, there is nothing on this earth I cannot do for you. As my son, I love you so much. I want you to take it easy, please, on these cabinet members. You know, these people can influence your father's decision.
Damn! Mom, they can't even do that, baby. Mom, what are you saying? Mom, Have you forgotten who I am? Mom! I am Prince Nello, the classic G-star, baby, from the state down to Umudike Kingdom, baby. Mom! I am the heir apparent to the throne of Umudike Kingdom, baby. Mom, they can't even do that. No, for real, baby.
I know. And nobody is doubting you. Please, I want you to calm down. Can you know when you're on a by nature? Biko.
Alright, Mom. Alright, Mom. I got you, baby.
That's my boy. I love you.
Mom, you know I love you too, baby. I got you, baby. Damn, I gotta give it a try, baby.
Seriously, baby?
Mom, I got you, baby. You feel me? I got you, Mom. I got you.
That's my baby boy.
I got you, Mom. Oh, fine, man. Hey, yo, you're looking sexy, baby. What is that, your name? Can you tell me your name, baby? Yeah, damn.
My king. Please, take it easy on him.
Hey, woman, keep up this and shut up. And you, non-entity, what have you done? Tell me, what have you done?
Yo, Dad, honestly, I don't know what you're talking about, baby.
How dare you? How dare you venture into doing what you are not supposed to do? What stupidity is in you?
That you confuse me when you speak all these your parables, baby.
Tell me, who gave you the infantry to go and beat up my own manager? You beat my manager up! For what?
God damn, baby, Dad, he is incompetent and he couldn't carry out his duties effectively.
Oh my God.
Dad, I was forced to discipline him myself, baby.
Will you shut up your mouth? How can you, undisciplined man, discipline a disciplined man? How can that be?
Dad, he was incompetent, baby.
An incompetent man like you. Are you competent? Are you competent? Listen to my word. Listen and listen good. Let this be the first and the last you will step your foot in that company's premises. Have you heard me clearly? I wouldn't like to repeat myself. Let it be the last that you will try such. Else, I will lock you up permanently in a cell and you will never see the sun again. I am the one saying this, and that is what I must do. Like it or not. And you, I know you are an accomplice. But listen, since you cannot, I have given you a lot of chances to tame your son, and you cannot do it. But since I see that it is impossible for you to calm him and train him the way it's supposed to be, as I am punishing him, as I'm dealing with him, I will be dealing with you. Because you will never escape it. Mark my word, you will never escape it. I will discipline you. Makara Ponce Onesi. I will not warn you again.
Damn.
So, how did he find out?
Damn. Mom, I think that stupid manager told Dad, baby. I think that stupid, incompetent manager told Dad, baby. See, Mom, honestly, if I catch that stupid manager, if I catch him, Mom, I will punch him down like I am a taxi, baby.
So the manager did this. Okay, Nello, forget about the manager. This case is a small case.
See, Mom, you don't have to tell me that. I can't for Mom. Mom, if I see that manager, Mom, damn, I will father.
Nello, let's go to business. Straight to business. So, have you done the transfer?
Damn, Mom, 4 million naira. You want me to do 4 mil? How much do you want me to keep for myself?
Hey. Don't even start. Don't crack jokes with me. I saw it clearly, 8 million. So let's share it 50-50. Or do you want me to transfer this case to your father?
Mom.
Do it.
Mom, sometimes I don't understand you, baby. Mom, you got to slow down sometimes, baby. Mom, you got to slow down, baby. Hey, yo, I will do it, man. But, Mom.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You've done well, okay? Yeah. The major thing I wanted you to do is to balance the sheets. Okay. Okay, it's okay. I've heard you.
Yo, Dad.
I've heard you. It's okay.
Dad.
Then I may be coming tomorrow or next.
Hold on, Dad. I need some cash, baby.
Okay.
Dad, I said that I need some money to take care of myself.
What's wrong with
baby?
you? What's wrong with you? Can't you use your senses? Eh? Even if you don't see, can't you hear also? Can't you observe that your father has been making call before you entered?
Dad, I don't want to care. I don't want to know. Are you telling me that the call is more important than Nero? Dad, I need some money, baby. I need some cash to take care of my personal need. Can't you see that Nero needs some cash? I need dough, man. When I quell some transfer, let me go and ball, baby. Damn. Dad, I need some money, baby. I need
Nelly,
some cash.
I am tolerating you enough. And it is getting out of hand. Stop trying my patience. Now get out of here.
Dad, are you asking me to leave your present? Are you asking me out?
I am telling you to get out from here. Because there is never a time I can give you a dime from this moment. Until you learn how to be very, very cautious. How to be respectful. How to respect your father's word. Now get out.
Dad?
I said get out! Get out from here.
Shit! Dad, I need some cash.
I said get out from here. Get out. Nello.
Dad, I don't sometimes I don't know, Dad. I need
Get
some
out.
cash. Dad, I need some cash.
You must learn to
Take
be
care
polite
of
to me.
myself, baby. Dad, you must give me some cash, man. Shit.
Nonsense. I can't give you any money until you learn, either quietly or by force, to be polite to your father. I can't give you any dime. Nonsense. Who do you resemble?
Your Highness, what are you doing in my room?
And you should know now. Must I say everything before you know it? It is said that action speaks louder than voice. You know, it's been long we stayed together. And I don't want the people to know that I'm coming in for such a thing. That's why I dressed in my royalty dress. Yeah? And to tell you the truth, my bank is full. I want to dispose it. It's been long now. Think about it.
Find somewhere else to dispose it.
What?
Yes.
Eh? Wait, if you hear from someone else that I went to dispose it elsewhere, will you be happy? I believe you won't be happy. So please, do the needful.
My king, because you have failed to carry out your responsibility as a king.
It is now that you are coming out. Honey, so I don't understand. I am believing myself to be able to carry out my responsibilities in this house.
That is
fed
the
you
problem.
well. I fed my children well. Do you lack anything?
That is the problem, my king. I know you provide everything we need. But what happens to my son? I want you to declare Nello, Prince Nello, the heir apparent. Simple.
It is not wholly in my hands to declare my own son the crown prince. It must be an agreement between me and the elders of this kingdom of Modike. You understand me? So please, always understand. Because I told you, Abnisho, to educate our son, your son. Let him understand the norms, the do's and the don'ts. Let him follow the protocol. At least give these elders who you know are the determinants of your fortune. Your destiny is in their hands. But if we continue to disgrace them, to insult them, to abuse them, and all what not. I told you to talk to him, talk senses into his brain. So, but at any rate, I will do my best. I will still continue to talk to them. Dig deeper to be able to convince them.
My king, you have the power. These elders you are talking about are your subordinates. Whatever you say, they will agree with you, whether good or bad. So I don't care how you take care of it. All I want is my son to become the heir apparent of this kingdom. And that is final.
Honey, I've heard you. But I want to let you also know that it is easier said than done. You have failed to understand the fact that it is not totally in my own hands to make our son the crown prince. You have not actually understood that side of it. I have promised you, I will still talk to them. I will continue to pressurize them. I will persuade them to accept my pleas. Okay? But meanwhile, you are my honey.
My king.
Yes.
Leave my room.
What?
Yes, you heard me clearly. Leave my room. Go and do what I asked you to do, and you have me in fullness. You know as it used to be.
And this is not just. It's not just. It's not good. People should not even hear it. That what I paid for and I kept in my house, I am denied of it. There's no problem. There's no problem.
Damn! Oh my God, this Columbia shit, baby. Yo. Oh, this is Columbia shit, man. I love the crown prince of the kingdom, baby. Today. Shit. You know what I mean, man? Got it, baby. Damn. That's cool, man. There you go. There you go. I think I'm feeling this Columbia shit, man. That's cool, man. I think let me go one more time, baby. Come on, man. You can do this. Yeah. You can go it, man. Go one more time. Let's go. Shit, man, this going to shit. Damn.
What's going on? What's wrong with you?
What are you doing? God! Damn, baby! You blew my testes? Little sister, you kicked my ball! Shit! What is she doing now? Damn! You kicked me? On the ball, baby. I just want to do this. What the fuck she do? Oh, shit. Shit. Little sister? God.
Nello! 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 How dare you? How dare you try to rape your sister? Your own blood sister.
Mom, honestly, that was a mistake, baby. Mom, that was a mistake. Yo, Mom, I was under influence, baby.
Yeah, shut up! You call that a mistake? It's no longer the mate, but your own blood sister. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Let me warn you. The next time you try this in this palace, you have me to contend with. Stupid boy. Shameless idiot.
Yo, Mom. Mom, I told you it's not my fault, baby. Mom, that's not my fault, Mom. I was under influence. Shit. What have I done? Mom, that's not my fault, baby. She even kicked my 2 balls. I'm so sorry, man. Mom, I'm so sorry. I won't do it again. I swear I won't do it again, baby.
Chamaka, there is something I want to tell you. It's about this thing you and the prince is doing. I just want to tell you that it's not good. You need to stop it. You know that this is not the reason why you came to this palace. You need to stop it.
Excuse you. Wait, Ngozi, I don't understand. You advising me?
It's just an advice.
Who do you think you are?
Your friend.
Like you're advising me?
As a friend.
Wait, is this jealousy?
It's not jealousy.
Okay, because the prince did not choose you.
I don't even like him.
Madam, you see, I will definitely tell the prince that you're asking me to stop saying
Sorry, no, please don't tell him. Come on, I was just joking, okay? I was just joking, please don't tell him.
So you're scared that you wouldn't want to mind your business?
My friend.
I beg, leave me, since you know what you came here to do.
Sorry, my friend, I was
mind
just
your
joking.
business.
Sorry.
I beg you.
Shit. Yo, Dad.
Nello! What are you doing in my room?
Oh, Dad, I was just looking for some pairs of my shoes, baby.
I don't understand. Some pairs of your shoes in my own room?
Yo.
In my room?
Dad, are you not my dad?
Nello, something is going wrong somewhere. I don't understand. From when you were very small as a kid to now that you are grown, I cannot remember whenever you have entered this room with your shoes and left them behind.
Oh, Dad!
Tell me, can you remember when you entered here last? So why would you be looking for your shoes in my room?
Dad, I thought I left some of my Gucci and my Nike that I got from the state, babe. I thought I left it in your room, babe.
No, listen. Because I am understanding the tricks you are playing. But I want to warn you. If I look for anything in this room and I can't find it, if anything misses in this room, Nello, I will hold you responsible. And I'm not going to have pity on you. Because you can't give me any reason you should enter my room without my permission. How did you even manage to enter the room? Let me tell you, let nothing get missing here. That is all.
Yo, Dad, just my shoe. Are you not my dad?
Prince, I will be taking my leave.
Oh, come on. No, what's popping, baby? No.
This one you said I should hold on. Is there anything I can do for you?
Are you asking me? What is there something you can do for me?
You know, I am always at your service, my prince.
All right. No, I want you to do something for me right now, baby. You know what? I want you to search yourself as you're standing now. As the owner of this kingdom, search yourself from beginning till the end.
My prince, I don't get you. I don't understand this one you are saying that I should search myself. What for?
Damn. Don't make me to repeat myself again. Do you understand me? Oh no, I said that you should search yourself. Now, what are you searching now, baby? You know,
my prince, this one here is search yourself. I wasn't teacher. I don't really get you.
Search yourself now, baby.
My prince, I was again teacher.
I said, don't waste my time. Search yourself.
Okay, let go him my prince.
Is that all you got here?
So here comes.
Damn, you can't drop it on the table, man.
Oh no,
drop that door on the table. I said drop it here on the table, baby.
So I'm not quite.
Shit. Me leave now, man. Oh no, now I want to see what.
I'm not saying.
Oh no, what is here?
My prince, you got nothing. I wasn't teacher on here. Yes. Don't the money I have to give my kids food this night?
No, I said, get out of my presence, baby.
I want teacher to help. Hi.
Shit. Yo, come back here. Come here, man. Listen. I want you to get me a very nice basket. I need a basket here. You understand?
Yes, my prince.
Listen, henceforth. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, my prince.
I said henceforth. I want anybody that visits my father, the king, must put money inside that basket. Be it he or she. Before that person leaves this palace, that person must drop money on the basket. Have I understood?
Yes, my prince.
Yo, have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Damn. Pick this money, man. Got the money. I said, make sure that henceforth, that basket must be here. Anybody who visits my father, the king, must drop money in that bucket. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Am I understood?
Yes, my prince.
Let's go, baby.
What are you hiding?
You scared me. I was even thinking it's the cream water.
Sorry, ma. Not the cream water. What is it?
My dear. Guess what?
What?
Imagine Ngozi advising me to leave the prince. That girl don't have respect though.
Yeah.
A homie, the hottest chick in this palace. That girl have that effrontery, the audacity.
Who no like better thing?
My sister telling me, this is not what you came here for. This thing or this. And, like, I wanted to slap that girl. That girl is very stupid.
But that got discussing the line.
I'm just keeping calm.
No worry.
Because when I want to change it for that girl,
Calm down.
I'll make sure I put this palace down.
Calm down. I'll handle her.
I trust you, my dear. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
My gist mates. Only you one. You know, it's just the both of us. That's just the hottest chick in this. You know, Prince Nello. My sister, do you know what Prince Nello gave me the last time?
What?
He got me jewelries. And that idiot is advising me to leave him. Who not be buying for me jewelries? Giving me money and all those good things.
My king.
Yes.
If you look at us, you see that most of our faces are not bright.
Simply because something happened as we were coming inside the palace.
What?
As we were coming in, one of the guards instructed us to put money in the basket before we enter the palace.
What? My own gate?
Yes.
Who gave that order? I mean, who gave the law?
My king.
Who? Yes.
It's my prince.
Prince? This boy again? This boy again? Eh? How can a trained son of the soil, a prince of a kingdom, behave this way? Taking orders into his hands.
Don't know.
Without regard to anybody, including me, myself. Hi! Please, elders of our land, I appeal to you to please take heart and just bear with me. Please. I will talk to him. I will make time out to talk to him. This boy is becoming so stubborn and so irrelevant. I will talk to him, please. It will not happen again.
Please do, Igwe. Please
I will do that. Hi.
I said you will never support it.
We even thought the order came from him.
I said you will never support it.
Personally, I was thinking he gave the order.
How can
he?
he got it?
It's not possible.
Even our king,
this boy.
our Igwe can be helped.
Mom, hey yo, Mom, you know what? As soon as they crown me the crown prince of Umudike Kingdom.
Oh, you see this white woman right here?
Yes, yes.
Oh, here you are. Here you are. Son of the devil. Here you are. Eh?
My king, what is it?
Why are you shouting the prince's name like that?
Why must you ask me what is it? Look at your son here. And I was talking to him. Why not ask him what is it? Ask your son. Speak out to your mother.
Son, what's your father talking about?
Damn! Mom, goddamn! Honestly speaking, I don't know what Dad is talking about.
You don't know what your dad is talking about.
Yo, man.
You don't know. Now why must you disrupt our meeting? Why must you come to the chamber to cause commotion? Tell me, how dare you begin to task my cabinet members? Look at him. He's tasking them to drop money on a stupid basket he dropped in the compound there. That they must drop money each time they visit me. Can you imagine this kind of stupidity? Yeah? Girl!
Damn! Baby!
One day, baby, is it true?
Mom! Those incompetent cabinet elders, baby, but Dad, they don't pay taxes, baby. Yo, Dad, in other kingdoms, they pay taxes.
Will you just shut up your mouth and stop telling me that? Let me not hear that again. Who gave you the infantry? Who gave you the permission to do that kind of stupid business here? Who told you? Even if it is done in everywhere in the world, when I decide it will not be done here, why would you go up to determine it? Who do you think you are? Who? Okay, the money you extorted from them in the past, previously, where have you kept the money? What have you done with the money? Have you built a mansion with it? Or have you bought a airplane with it? Tell me what you have achieved with the money you extorted from them. Can't you talk? Stop keeping me quiet. Talk to your mother so that she will understand what I am saying. What kind of stupidity is this? This woman, I will not continue to tolerate this. It is getting to my nerve. Listen, I will not continue to tolerate this. Do you hear me? If you cannot tell me a boy, if you cannot tell him, tell him. If you cannot, it is not as if I don't know what to do. I know what to do. Because I may even disown him. Yes. Talk to him. And this is my last warning.
got them here? Baby. Did you do that? Did you extort money from the others? Mom! Mom! What is actually your problem? Eh? Why did you instruct money from them? Eh? Do you know that those elders are the ones that will crown the prince of this land? Mom, to hell with that, baby! Those scallywags! Those incompetent scallywags, baby! Mom, you don't have to worry yourself, baby. You know what? I know how to handle them. Nello. Mom, those scallywags are just like this. Nello! Mom, they're small deal, man. I know how to handle them. That throne should be our major priority. See, Gamonte, Nello. Ifo, Ucha Banari. Relax yourself, man. No, feel free, man. I told you, you are the best, baby. Turn around. Let me see that what your mama gave to you. Damn, I love this booty, baby. Turn it again. Nello! Come on, man. Relax yourself. That's my dad, baby. Shit. I told you were the best, baby. That's my dad and the incompetent, cabinet, baby. Turn around. Shit. I love this waist. Stop, my friend! Stop. Nello! Stand here, man. Let me see that thing your mama get to you. Your body's so soft. Dad, can't you see this, man? Yeah. Turn around.
Can you stop that? What is the problem?
Damn. Dad, can't you see that I'm busy doing something with my beautiful, sexy damn self?
Nello, how can you stoop so low? So low to tarnish the image of this family, Nello. Nello! Nello! Dad! So there is no time you can be reasonable at all.
Shit.
You have made other princes of other kingdoms aid their parents, aid their father especially, to do good things in their kingdoms.
Yes.
Except you.
Yes.
Except you. And you don't have a second thought of yourself. Nello.
Shit.
Just look at.
Dad, what are you saying? Dad?
All you do for me, the only thing I gain from you is sit around, sniff your cocaine, smoke herbs, weeds, and they consume as much alcohol as you can. That is all the benefit I receive from you. For sending you abroad to learn. Nello. And you are not ashamed of yourself.
This is minus
minus one. Damn.
And
you're stopping my pace,
and
man.
you're calling your daddy, baby.
Hey, yo. What are you talking about? Shit, Dad. Tell this incompetent cabinet elders you called your I thought cabinet elder my food, baby. Dad, listen. Dad, I don't like this shit. Dad!
Nello.
Dad, listen, Dad, man. I am Prince Nello, the classic G-star from the state, baby. Down to Udike Kingdom. Hey, yo, man, I am the heir apparent of the throne, baby. Dad, can't you see I'm just living my life?
So this is how you will administer your administration we hold in this kingdom. It is how we are going to administer this kingdom to keep my legacy. Is that?
Dad, spare me with that trash, baby. What are you talking about? Dad, I'm a full grown-up man, baby.
You lock my feet!
Shit!
You lock my feet!
Dad, you embarrassing me.
Don't fuck me, don't.
Stop that shit, baby. Shit, come on here. Ayo. Dad, take a look at what to do, Dad.
Take him off.
Shit.
Take him off.
Shit. Are you going?
Take him off.
This girl is.
Oh, put on.
Makalagada manonya.
Olu one no na mandi no na.
Apoku ka date yake. Olonye gele lonye no sepo ama sepo. Igba de ju. Igwe na Apoku ka date yake. Anu mu dike chọrọ gị. Nkịtị zuo na afịa udene nwere ọnụ afịa. Olusie n'elu ọnwa ndị nọ na oluo na na ọ ga-ama ndị nọ n'obodo okwu mmụọ. Anya kpọrọ ibu ji a na-akpọ akpa ma na-ama mkpọ ibu ịdị ama mkpọlata. Okwu ọra na-ega adị. Ozo ka mmiri ozo si ọgbakọ maka na chi jiri eji efu efu. Ihe na-emere ibu ihe a na-akpọ ihe. Ife na-akụghị bụ ife a na-akụ na mkpụrụ ọka aka na-agba idigbo agbara gbasaa. Anyanwụ ga-esi Igbo na olu si olu nata abụọ na mkpọ. Okpuru na neregede ka a na-agba mkpu. Nkịtị ga-azụ n'afịa fabụ udene maka na udene nwere afịa. Chi jiri eji ga-efu efu. Idu ayakata. Oje nije n'elu ụlọ. Akụkụ na-egbu bụ lebu ụkpaka. Mana agbarụsie ya bụ ngene a ga-ekuru ngene ṅụọ.
Eyo.
I am Prince Nero, the classic G-star, baby, coming down from the state down to Mudike Kingdom, baby. Yo, take a look, man. I said it that my dad have a beautiful, sexy damsel in this kingdom. Just take it easy, ride on me. You know what? Oh, can you do like a python? Can you do like a python? I want you to roll like a python. Come on, man. Roll like a python on me, baby. Come on, man. Roll that thing your mama gave to you on me. Or roll your waist like Nicky. Oh, shit. Yeah. Damn, damn. Let me see that thing. Check it, man. Damn, let me flip that axe, baby. Flip that motherfucking axe. Let me see your axe. You got a tiny axe, man. Can you go flip like a... Let me see that.
Whine it, baby. Shit! This is Nicki Minaj kind of soft. Yeah, that's why I'm a prince, baby. Look, can you roll like a python? See, henceforth, man, you're gonna be taking care of me, alright? Care of Prince Nero. What's it, G-Star? Come this side. Let me grab your waist like a G-Star, baby, like a New York, Brooklyn G-Star, baby. Take a look at Prince Nero. Yeah. The classic G-Star, living my life to the fullest in my father's kingdom, baby. Come on, man.
Oke osisi ụmụ dike ji dị ebube. Okpuru ọra. Agụrụ eche mba. Okpuru ọra. Okpuru ọra.
How is our king? Hope he can open his eyes. I hope he can talk now.
Elders. Chewele efifeji. Oke ọkụkọ. Iyi akwa. Mmiri mara ugo na akpọrọ ọnụmata igo n'ahụ. The Igwe, our king, is dead. Oya wane kwani wezie wezie anyanwụ orekata mgboja bọọlụ mgboji bụ obodo anụ egibesi anya mata obodo dị mmụọ kedu ka m ga-esi mata ya bụ obodo dị ọma mere chie oya kata bụ ọgwụgwụ anụ anụ agịsi anya ma obodo dị ọma Right. Scared me.
My prince, I think it is high time you go back home. Your people need you. A lot has been happening. You can't just leave just like that. Look, I know it's going to be difficult for you, but please, try. Please go back home.
I can't go back there. I can't go back. They will kill me. If I go back to that palace, they will take my life. You saw what happened last time. They nearly took my life away. If not the grace of the gods that saved me. I can't go back there. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. I can't.
My prince.
I can't. No.
Calm down. I know how you feel. I duly know how you feel. But please, look, there is a big problem. The king, your father, is dead.
What?
My fellow elders, I greet you.
Oh no, thank you.
We all know that our king has been buried and all the traditional rites has been done according to the custom and tradition of our land. I invite all of us here now to sit and deliberate on how to install our prince, the crown prince and the king of Umudike kingdom. So everybody here now has the right to air his view on what I have just said. Thank you very much.
Oh no, you have spoken very well. Because this issue of crowning the crown prince is what we would have handled even when our late Igwe was still alive. Because of our customs and tradition. Because if this type of thing is not done, the possibility of the throne being transferred to another family in the community, you can't rule that out. Mana Igwe Banya Mutalu Dimpa. Dimpa Katalaru. So I am suggesting that we team up and support him to rule the land of Umudike.
I greet you all, my elders. Chief Dike, well, you've spoken your mind. But I want to say one or two things. Have we forgotten so soon that when a king dies in this our Umudike kingdom, we will at least indulge in 2 months mourning period? Have we forgotten so soon? Eh?
That is true.
Even if we want to crown a prince, must we crown somebody whose arrogant lifestyle has dealt with us one after the other? Can you say this thing has not dealt with you? He has not dealt with you? Eh?
My fellow elders, anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Asị ahụ ka emere eme ka ahụ. Anyị ga-ahapụ gana ka ihe bụ oke anyị ga-ebe ọzọ.
I heard what you said. I think I will finally suggest that we dismiss this idea of this crown prince for the next 2 months in honor of our late king. Okulor.
Now you are talking. Yes. Just forget it very soon.
What I work anyway, I will keep quiet to see the person you will bring as king.
This life is full of wickedness. This life is full of pain.
Who back at these days? Who back at these
There he goes, baby.
Oh, my prince.
Shut the fuck up, baby. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Let's go. What's that your name, baby?
I am a Dadike.
Dadike, right?
Yes.
Damn. Dadike.
You know what? Daddy, you know what you gonna do for me right now? I want you to get down on the floor, baby.
Huh? I should lie down. I am a cabinet member in your father's cabinet. I am a cabinet member.
I said you should get down on the floor, baby. Do you want me to do it in a hard way?
No, Prince. Calm down. Please calm down. Please. Please.
Hey, yo, get this motherfucker down, baby.
Go down.
Go down.
Go down.
Go down. Damn. Daddy, right? See, do you know what, Daddy? I'ma whip your body. Yeah, I'ma whip you. The way I whip people in the state, baby.
I am a cabinet member. Please.
Shut the fuck up. See, I'ma whip your body like a baby, baby.
Hey!
I'ma whip your body like a yeah.
Please. I am a cabinet member.
Shut the fuck up, baby. I'ma show you how I do this in the United States of America, baby. I'ma whip you like a little baby, baby.
Hey!
Are you?
Hey!
Go down. Yeah. You are.
Hey!
Why you?
My prince!
Are you out of your senses? How dare you?
My prince, how dare you? Why are you doing this? Oh my!
You stop! Shit! How dare you? Shut the fuck up, baby! Now stand up! Stand up! Let me give you a last warning before you leave here now. And then you can stop in here. You okay like that? Stay like that. Stay like that, baby. And then listen. Yo. And then listen. And listen real good. Are you listening to you? Feel me? Listen. And listen very attentively, baby. And then this should be served as a warning to all of you incompetent fools that called yourself cabinet elders of Umudika Kingdom. See, listen. It's all of you. I gave you people 7 days. I said 7 days to pick a day for my coronation, baby. I repeat, I said 7 days to pick a day for my coronation, baby. You people must coronate me, or you want me to do it myself? Shit. These people don't even know that I can crown myself the crown prince of Umudika Kingdom. I can do it the way we do it in the United States of America, baby. Don't you know I can do it myself? Now, stand up, let me. I said 7 days, or I coronate myself, baby. I will get that crown and put it on my blondie hairstyle, baby. Let's go, baby.
Try! Look here, Melo. Okoto Kalo. Look here, Melo, now. No Mudike. My fellow elders, what do we do?
Che. Che were fife jie na lomo dike. Beto, if I may ask, where is Ono? This thing cannot be happening in Umudike and Ono is not here. He should come here and let us discuss and know what to do.
You chose. You are asking about Ono as if you don't know him. Ono who that dresses like women. Te powder. If you get a whole problem. You know how many times have we had council meeting that you know was early? How many times? In a journal, but one journal no. Okay, I've been born here.
Biko, whether or know who is here or know who is there, it's not a cup of tea. What we should be talking now is what shall we do? We have no for long. Please.
What do you expect us to do? Oh no, we're supposed to come here so that we'll put our heads together and know the next thing to do. He's supposed to be here.
He's our leader.
He's our leader. Why is he not here? Why is he not here?
If he's the leader and he's not here, do we just sit, begin to look for him?
Okay, let's wait for him.
Okay, suggest. What do you want us to do?
And that's somebody who go and
no, suggest. My fellow cabinet members, I can't understand what is happening in this place. Since the king, his wife, and his son died, Onowu stopped coming to council meetings. What is really happening? What do we call this?
Elders. Ejugumanyo Kenyan Ejafu Heno Napa. Chopota that something is fishy. Something is fishy. How many council meetings have we had recently that you know who didn't show up?
That is the thing.
How many? And I don't know Uber.
My fellow elders, listen to me. You are talking of Onowu being in first meeting, second meeting, third meeting. Does it mean that you people are not aware that our Onowu no longer live in this community?
What? Oh, you know that he does not live in this community and you didn't tell us.
Who told you that Onowu is no longer living in this our community? And how?
Wait. Like I said, I can't understand what is happening. Something is wrong. Even our chief priest has refused to say something. He has been keeping sealed lips. Something is wrong, like I have been saying.
Yes.
See, my fellow elders, I want to suggest we go and meet another chief priest so that we will know what is happening. We cannot just sit down and keep quiet and something will be going wrong. It is not good. It is not good for us to sit down like that. Please, let us do something. For the sake of this Umudike. Please. We cannot just keep quiet like this. My people, I think I am in order.
Thank you.
My friends, it is time for you to start going back to your community. Everybody awaits your return. The Ezemo had already announced your return. So please, I want you to go back home. Okay?
But Ne, I've told you, I don't want to go back to that kingdom again. I don't want to go back to Umudike kingdom again. I'm scared. You saw what happened last time, and you are advising me to go back there again. I'm scared. They may kill me. I can't go back. I can't.
Look, I know it's going to be hard, and I'm not forcing you either, okay? But there is one thing you need to know. The spirit of your late father seeks for your return as well. So please, stand up. Let me just lock up the door, okay? So we can get going. Okay?
This life is full of wickedness.
We are waiting. Okay.
Umudike kwenu?
Yeah.
Kwenu?
Yeah.
Kwesono? Our long-awaited prince is here. Yes. What we have been expecting has happened.
Yes.
Our crown prince is here. Our prince. This is Umudike community. On behalf of this community, I want to apologize to you. Please, forgive us. Find it in your heart to forgive your father and the entire Umudike community. We know we erred in error. Yes, we erred in error. But I know that you will forgive us. I know that if your father was to be alive, he would have been the happiest person on earth today, seeing you return. Please, please, we beg you to find it in your heart to forgive us and accept to be our king.
Yes, our prince, you are welcome back. Please, temper justice with mercy. Yes. And forgive all of us. Yes. Forgive all of us. Thank you.
My son, please. Bara.
My elders, I have forgiven all for a very long time ago.
Hey.
But I miss my father, His Royal Highness, because he's a very good man that has a good heart of God. May his soul rest in peace.
He said,
I promise today to be the king of Umudike Kingdom.
Yo, This life is full of wickedness. This life is full of pain, no. This life is full of evil. This life is full of wickedness. This life is full of pain, no. This life is full of evil. If you do good, the good will pay you. If you do bad, the bad will pay you. There is no escape from the truth.